In this video, I'm going to show you how to digitally sign an Adobe PDF like we use here on our Principles of Good Practice, our PGP forms. So I've opened my PGP using Adobe Acrobat. This is really important. If you don't have Adobe Acrobat installed on your computer, then you need either install it or have IT install that for you. And that is going to be very important. This is a free, the Adobe Acrobat Reader is a free program that you can actually use to open. This, if you try to do this in Chrome or the internet browser, it's not going to work very well. So make sure you're using Adobe Acrobat or Adobe Acrobat Reader to sign this. Once you've got that open, you're going to go down and look for your signature box. It usually has a little red sign flag right here, or it says signature, and you're going to click on that. Now, I've had some digital signatures on this computer before, so there's some in there, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to configure a new digital ID because we're going to do it just like we're setting up a new signature. So if I click on that, it's going to give me these few options. What I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new digital ID. Don't worry about these other options. So create a new digital ID. I'm going to hit continue. And then you can choose either option. You can save to file or save to certificate store. I'll just save to certificate store. And then it's going to ask you to fill out all this stuff. You don't have to fill everything out. You just have to fill out your name and your email address. So I'm going to put those in here. And if you want to put your organization name and unit, you can. You don't have to, though. And then you're going to click Save. And then you'll see it's saved here. And then when I'm ready to sign this, I'm going to go back and let's see. Now I can go and click Signature. And here's my digital ID file that I created. And I can select it. I can hit Continue. I have a fancy one set up here, but normally what yours looks like is going to look like this with just your name and text. And if you want to do that fancy one, let me know. I can show you how to do that. That's a whole other tutorial. And then you're going to click Sign. And then what's going to happen is it's going to ask you to save the actual document. And you can save that. And I'm going to save this in a different spot so I don't save over my original. And so I'm going to save that, and then what's going to happen is it's going to sign. So you say digitally signed by your name and the date. And it's already saved, so now I can go ahead and email that on. Once you're done with our PGP form, you can click this email button, and that will send it to our online ticketing system that'll come directly to us, and one of us will grab that to do the rest of the PGP. Or you can just save this and email it to any one of the instructional designers, myself, John Gaza, Claire Wilkeson, Catherine Franker, or Richard Leslie. So at the time of this recording, anyway, anybody in the IDI team. Anyway, hopefully that helps. If it does not, then you can always contact us and we can help you out with some.